How to edit a thumbnail like this in Pixlr. First, get your image. Then lock it in place and duplicate it, but also hide the image. Then you're gonna want to remove the background. You may have to adjust the settings to get the right tolerance. With the image I was using, it had very similar colors, making the cutout difficult, but this doesn't usually happen. So you can use the block cutout if required, and the brush afterwards. Now that you've finished removing, add your text around the area where you deleted the background. Find a font you like and adjust the size and shape. Then save it and you're done. This is what the finished product should look like. Thanks for watching.